guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to no Gustavo. Okay, Agnaflop. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Golden Arrows 1. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola Steve bafethu. Ana mkidana the best analyst. Sanibonani bathanda abalandeli bebhola la South Africa bafethu. Angihambi ngiwani ngihamba nobhuti wami ngayi Gustavo bafethu. Gustavo ngiyabonga bafethu. Ithingene khona bafethu egame namhlanje. Namhlanje bafethu mesibheke iSundowns ibhekane ne team yase KZN Golden Arrows bafethu uyangithola le game lena was very interesting. Remember ukuthi ucoach Manqoba Mnqithi was once here at Klerkop coach Mamelodi Sundowns, so yes understand coach Manqoba Mnqithi and coach Manqoba Mnqithi team eshayile first round elikini uyangithola. Sundowns has got 1 loss and it was against coach Manqoba Mnqithi and 5 draws uyangithola. So this game lena was very personal uyangithola. Ifana nomunye coach kanje mara asikho kuyi uyangithola. So as you know, which coach Manqoba uhlezi isikhathi eside ku Sundowns, so you understand the philosophy, you understand the ideology of Sundowns, how we play. So we expected ukuthi makafika lana uyazi what to expect from Mamelodi Sundowns. But guess what? I genius uKhatosi. Manqoba Mnqithi knows ukuthi umudiba noMudau badlala izama full back up and down. Guess what Khasu so do today? Wabayenza ama inverted. Wabasusa wathi ningakhuphuki down up and down the line ngifaka phakathi nizojoin uAdams. That was the first one. Ngambona lapho ukuthi he changed everything. That's why abading dom khona coach Manqoba azange sabonakala wahlanga because now labantu laba mase ba converted bangene phakathi, it means manje teams are used to ukuthi uMudiba noMudau maba overlap benze transition bashaye lama side, but maba inverter la phakathi banga overlap bangena phakathi, it means manje bayakwazi ukwenza ukuzikhavela lesa space. They don't need to waste a lot of energy up and down, instead baza phakathi bayangaphandle. So it means manje lama space abajwayele ukwapenetrate awasekho
abasakhona ukugaqela,
so the game was locked. So coach Manqoba Mnqithi didn't have an idea how to unlock that space. On top of that mabadlala ezama inverted lapha phakathi, it means they're adding numbers uAdams, they're adding numbers uMkwena uyangithola. And the manje uyazi ukuthi bayawazi ukudlala. I was proud to see uSila the way athena ngakhona ibhola phakathi. Umnandi side sambona ipassing yakhe, but the way mekathena ngakhona phakathi, and there was a moment whereby they combined na noMudiba phakathi. Usela uthole ibhola phakathi, uMudiba uhamba down the line wamnika ophula ifestera walinikeza uMudiba. That thing is genius team. So it shows how versatile Mamelodi Sundowns is. Yes, it's the same faces, but the ability on the ball and the ability in terms of delivering whenever it's expected, Amachita top notch. It shows the quality of player Mamelodi Sundowns. If you can take those two players Bafai a center and still manage to play the game, and a lot of people for sure did not talk about that thing, did not pick it up, because when as long Babone ground in battle the way battle namhlanje battle different. That was the number one. And then Size la Pangwabo. Size Pangwabo, it was Adams, Mkwena, no Nuno megadlala side, but megachita as a phakathi. What he did Nuno magachita ngena phakathi beba stretch a ground ngoMethusi. Maba stretch ground ngoMethusi. That is why Mobona Methusi athola a lot of one-on-ones, because bonke balana bamiyekela be1, and I think it was exceptional. Mr. Mtani top notch. One-on-one was destroying that boy. Killing him. Angikhumbuli lamchita lo awina ibhola uMethusi alithathe enyaweni. Every time, whether he's coming inside or going outside, he was killing him. And there's something uMethusi akasinikeze yona namhlanje that we were missing ku game yakhe, because most of the time bamdlalisa ku left, namhlanje bamchitshile bamdlalisa ku right. And that's another thing which I did not expect. Manqoba Mnqithi did not expect that thing. You always expect uMethusi on the left, but today he was on the right. And what he was doing on the right, Manasi player put in a cross. Manasi player he was putting quality crosses first half. Quality crosses. The only thing that was missing lama cross umuntu okwazi ukwenza erun kulas pool. Umudi was just making ukuthi akwazi ukwenza erun kulas pool or uNuno yenza erun kulas pool. That was the only thing, because those crosses were very dangerous. And I think Umetu's going forward, Mabanga that license on the right hand side, which I ends cross. So Tola Manning, because there was a lot of creativity. We were causing a lot of trouble on the right hand side for their team there. And then what they did when Colin Arrows on what he approached, it was approaching a 4-3-3.
Sure.
And sometimes be 4-2-2.
Sure.
It's a mid block and a low block.
Yeah.
And then they were using a V shape to press as a first press. If Petipola, Williams, and then Uvule Saitin, Undemane, they will use a V shape. V shape yakoni maganj. One focus on Williams, I'm valid with Angasipola Glela side, and let's Ule side, Omunye Umelana, low Pegelan. So it means the Pola Malizalan, if first press on a V shape, and then the others will fall. But we managed to penetrate a couple of times, and a couple of times they managed to stop us and lose Amanyama Pola. But overall, we speak Pola. I think tactical look at those the only time when Mangoba get an upper hand was when Makmo Adams get a red card.
Yeah.
That's when tactically I changed a game, because now they had to restore into Uvala a game, because there was no one who can replace Learu Adams.
Yeah.
Even when we had the ball, Sizamuk builder from the back, we could not build from the back because Lomuntu enza Learu Adams the way Adams enza ngakho akakwazi, because already umkwena upikiwe nomunye umuntu upikiwe, so they cannot play. That rotation yaba simple, but still kuna something ngimele sibheke ne iSundowns idlale 5 games. This was game number 6 in 2026. Ulama game lawa i6 iSundowns. First 5 games before this one, mena 19 yellow cards.
Yeah.
Ule 19 yellow cards, umkwena una 2 yellow cards. Undemanu una 2 yellow cards. Umudibu una 2 yellow cards. Umetusu una 2 yellow cards. Even Adams before the red card, again 2 yellow cards.
Yeah.
Meaning that these are the key players. Yeah. So if the player allow, it happened in game in one, but only a yellow card, they missed the following game. Yeah. I can't remember well, which is it 3 yellow cards or 4 yellow cards. Yeah. But they were very close to being suspension. Imagine Sundowns without these players. So vice versa for Tina Simamelo Sundowns singakhala ngeRicardo Adams, but it could be a cliche with his season because Adams one of the players they're skating on a thin ice, because they could have lost Adams but lose no Mkwena same game, even no Alendi. Yeah. And the Lontole Yashaya and the Lontole Ibhlungani Sibu. iSundowns in 19 yellow cards in 5 games. After that, Amanyama team, are you going to team close to that number? Yeah. It's only Skukuna with 9, yeah. Pirates with 5 or 6, yeah. Amanya with 3, 4. Yashaya riding Sibu. Marangabong for the opportunity.
Thank you, Jayam.